Welcome to this tutorial, where we will learn how to give the Viber app access to your contacts on an Android phone. Granting this permission ensures that Viber can sync your address book, making it easy to find and connect with friends and family directly from the app. First, locate the Viber app icon on your Android phone. Once you find it, press and hold the icon until a menu appears. Next, tap on the option labeled App Info to open the app's settings. After that, tap on the Permissions option, which will display a list of all permissions that Viber can request. From the list, choose Contacts. Finally, select the Allow option to grant Viber permission to access your contacts, enabling it to display and sync your saved numbers for easier communication. By completing these steps, Viber will now be able to detect your saved contacts, making it simple to start chats and calls.